Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be taking a look at the diver gear from HG Build Custom line from, anyway, Gundam Build Divers. So it's kind of interesting, first off, that it's in this larger size box. It seems like kind of a waste. Usually they put this kind of base. It seems like the Build Custom box is like the box is like half the size of this, but they went for this larger size box. I'm guessing just because that main piece there was just a little bit too big to fit into the smaller size box. So unfortunate for Bandai that they have to use up more shelf space for this, but hey, it does look like a pretty cool base for this new Build Divers series. So yeah, we got a few kits there obviously featured there on the front, the H2 Magnum and the 00 Diver here on the side of the box. This is number 34 in the Build Custom line. So while they're counting the Build Diver, the HG Build Divers line separately from the Build Fighters line. They are keeping the Build Custom units in the same line. So this is number 34. Here on the bottom of the box, it says that Gunpla aren't the only items necessary for the Gunpla Battle Nexus Online. Yeah, so we need this base there too. Obviously it has all the same features of just the normal Action Base 5. Here's how the Gundam looks on there. You can separate that main arm into two halves and plug that onto different spots. I know that's jarring that it's upside down, sorry. Anyway, here this comes with, shows you a picture of all of the contents, a link to information about the series, and then the list price for this of 700 yen. So 700 yen for a stand. Interesting. So here's that clear piece, which does look very nice. Thank you for that. And then here's all of our parts for that, all in this kind of brownish gray color that we see for a lot of times for inner frame. And what I'm wondering is, here it's really nicely designed underneath there, which is cool. And this clear part is just plain clear. So how are we going to recreate this if it's some like an insert or something in that, or if it really would have been cool if that was like engraved in this clear part. But let's see. Here's our manual. And yes, looks like that is going to be just separate a little bit here. It instructs you to cut that out. Okay, interesting. So this is the manual. Obviously not going to be very complicated, just kind of put it all together. And then on the back just shows you how to use that. So yeah, it kind of would have been cool maybe if they would have given you more than one of these. Like if you ever want to change that, because you can kind of like write in your information here, I guess if you want. You have to write that in with like a white pen or something. It's very dark. But you can write your information in there if you want. Otherwise, I guess what you could do, if you have a scanner and printer yourself, scan this, and then you can like go in with Photoshop and you can put in your name or whatever in there in like white text, and that would look nicer. Print out another one. That'd probably be the best way to go. But let's get this built up and see how it looks. Alright, so here he is, and take a look around and notice a couple of things. Number one is that actually that gray plastic is in a kind of high gloss gray plastic. It kind of has either a gloss coating or it's like kind of, I don't think it's gloss injected, but anyway, it's a high gloss plastic, and that is kind of cool, but that does mean that the nub marks on it are going to show a lot worse. So, and if you want to sand or file the nubs on that, then well, it's obviously going to be goodbye to that high gloss finish. So if you're going to be painting it, it really doesn't matter. But if you're not planning on painting this, then you are going to have some pretty nasty nub marks on there. It is a base, so it's really not going to be as noticeable as like bad nub marks on the actual kit. But if that is something you're worried about. The other thing is that the actual main base part, you'll notice there where it connects to the base is a little bit different as well. That's another new part for this, so that's kind of cool. Otherwise, the arm is completely the same as what you would get just again with the normal parts. So you have all the different little connection parts and everything like that that you get with the regular Action Base 5. And for demonstration's sake, with an actual kit installed on it, here I thought I'd take the opportunity to show you guys a little custom Karagai Gyanko that I've been working on. Obviously still a work in progress, but anyway, I won't talk too much about that. We'll just focus on the base. Yeah, it's a very simple base. The Action Base 5, I've already done a review on that, so the arm and all the things that you can do with that, you can all do with this kit as well. You guys will be seeing me use this base with probably all of my HG Build Divers reviews anyway, so you'll see this in use plenty over the course of the next few months, however long we're getting those kits. So yeah, overall, really nice little base here, a nice little custom base for the series as well. I think fans of the series, fans of these kits coming out from the series, we'll be happy to have this. So as always, a huge thank you to USA Gundam Store for supplying me with this to share with you guys. Yeah, pick up 1 or 2 or 3 of these if you're really feeling the series so far. Hopefully this quick little video has been helpful for you guys, and as always, leave any other further questions or comments down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Hey! Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, if you want to check the kit out for yourself, you can head over to USA Gundam Store. Use that coupon code ZakuAurelius10. Save yourself 10%. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.